If there are three things you can count on when it comes to the new Mini variant, namely one will look cute, two will be introduced in the form of Cooper and Cooper S, and three, at some point, a more intense John Cooper Works version will emerge, to push the envelope of the model. In terms of performance and price, the latest case in question is the new 2016 Mini Cooper Convertible, which was launched last year, looks as adorable as ever, soon becomes a dealer in standard form in a Cooper S. And now, just in time, Mini has released photos and information about the 2017 John Cooper Works model, the top range. The new ragtop JCW follows a performance improvement program roughly the same as the JCW hardtop, including increasing the 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine to 228 horsepower, available at 6,000 revolutions per minute, and 236 pound-feet of torque from 1,250 revolutions per minute, compared to 189 horsepower and the 207 pound-feet for the Cooper S. Mini promises a very emotional acoustic pattern across all load ranges. Manual and automatic transmissions return to duty, both with 6 speeds forward. Beefy Brembo brakes and sportier suspension adjustments are also part of the package. The stability control system features electronic differential lockout as well as steering torque compensation, while dynamic damper control is optional. Visually, the JCW Convertible is distinguished by its aggressive aero kit of standard 17-inch wheels and a center-mounted extra fat exhaust tip. As on the hardtop, the Rebel Green paint is reserved for the JCW version of the convertible and, like Cooper's lower convertible, the fully automatic soft top can be ordered in black or a black and gray Union Jack pattern that raises or drops in 18 seconds. Tested the current JCW hardtop last year and clocked 0 to 60 miles per hour for 6 seconds. Mini says the convertible, which adds 180,190 pounds of weight, should take 6.3 or 6.4 seconds, depending on the faster automatic transmission. The top speed is declared 150 miles per hour manually, 149 automatically. Motor vehicle, mode of transportation, automotive design, product, steering part, red, steering wheel, speedometer, car, center console. Spent a year with the JCW Convertible in the previous iteration and found it fun, if a little rattletrap. Time will tell whether Cooper's new body, complete with additional structural braces under the doorway and engine room, will be better able to handle JCW performance tasks. The John Cooper Works drop-top only hit dealers this April, following the Cooper and Cooper S Convertible, which arrived a month earlier.